everyone. Today again we start with fine motor skills part 4 with some activities. I hope you enjoy the activities. Fine motor skills part 4. In this part, first activity is sponging activity, second is touch, feel and say, and then last is vegetable printing. Sponging activity. In this activity we require two bowls. One is filled with water and one empty bowl, and one small piece of sponge. In this activity, child use one hand. The child will transfer the water in next bowl with the help of sponge, like this. In this activity, when he use sponge to squeeze, his fine motor skills and fingers, he transfer the water in next bowl. In this activity, again his eye-hand coordination and fine motor skill improves. And in this task, child will learn to sit on one place and self-management. The child will empty that bowl. See. Feel and say activity. In this activity, item required are one small bag or small kit and one cloth of blindfold, of any color, some pens, scale, any small piece of vegetable, a rubber band, bangle, pencil, eraser, sharpener, rubber band. Now show all the things when you start the activity. Before that, you show all the things to the child and then put it in the kit. All the things, put it in the kit or bag. Now blindfold the child. Now ask the child put his hand in the kit and take out items from the kit. First,
Start.
Child will feel the thing and then speak out the name. It's a scale. Child will touch, feel and speak out the name. Bangle, rubber band. Child will feel the texture. Tomato. Eraser. Pen. This activity especially improves the child thinking skill and as well as fine motor skill. Lemon. Vegetable printing. In this activity we require things are watercolor, any watercolor mixed with water, with some vegetables for vegetable printing. Cut the vegetable like this for vegetable impression. I'll take a bitter gourd, lady finger and capsicum. Take any vegetable, dip it in the color, then ask the child put the impression on the paper. Make a flower. of different colors. Use child's favorite color. In this activity again, child will improve his fine and motor skill and his thinking skill also. He makes so many designs with this borders or anything.